Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to bring you what I think is one of the more important charts in the current market. You've got NVDA that is up about $55 after reporting earnings, so we'll see if those values can stick and where we actually open on Thursday. But if that can start to get a little bit more excitement back into tech, well, then I think the only thing you need from there is to have some financials that start to pick up that lead as well. And this pattern here in Goldman Sachs is one of the more interesting. So the things that stand out to me here are first that price is holding the 50-day simple moving average, and also that the broad moving averages, the 50, the 100, and the 200, are all cleanly stacked, which is to say the fastest moving average is above, as they get slower. And that's just a way of denoting a mature trend. So we've got a very nice trending move that led us into here. This consolidation that then forms into a squeeze, right? This is always the highlight of what I try to bring you guys in these video reviews, because these signals can turn into nice directional moves. And then the other piece of it saying, if this was really going to turn lower, the last place that I would allow it to do so would be the 786 of the entire correction. So you see that value there at 394, but it makes a lot more sense if you step back and look at the weekly chart. So on the weekly, again, there are ways that you could fail at that final retracement, but if you do start getting above the 786, then the next, somewhat imminent move should be back into the old lifetime high, and then we'll see if from there we can move on into the external retracements. But knowing that financials are a key part of this market, knowing that you've got that squeeze set up there inside a very tight daily pattern, that is a name to be focused on. And until it has some kind of drastic break below here, I will continue to remain bullish. So I hope that helps. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.